time installing a Navien tankless water heater. We removed a traditional tank water heater that just started to leak, and the customer noticed it before it flooded the house. Navien tankless water heaters have a 15-year heat exchanger warranty, a 5-year parts warranty, and we back it with a 1-year parts and labor warranty. This impressive unit has a built-in recirculation pump and a buffer tank that eliminates sandwiching, which is what all the other tankless water heaters have issues with. All of this amazing technology provides our customer with endless hot water, and it's super energy efficient. Every tank water heater can be converted to a tankless water heater. We plumb the hot and cold water lines down the wall, tie into the bottom of the tankless water heater. We run new exhaust piping to the exterior, and depending on the amount of air available, the intake pulls air from either inside or outside. We also connect or upgrade the existing gas line and run a condensation line. The Navien tankless water heater is protected by the GreenNAC pre-filtration system and a Cascadian salt-free water softener. This amazing system can double or triple the life expectancy of your home's plumbing, the fixtures, and appliances. No heavy salt bags, no electricity, no water wasting, and the yearly maintenance is a breeze. The GreenNAC is a 2-part system. Water enters into the coconut shell carbon setup. This removes and reduces chlorine, herbicides, pesticides, cleaning byproducts, and trihalomethane. It also removes taste and odor, then it's off to the NAC FilterZorb media bed. This helps to reduce the scale by dissolving hardness into harmless microscopic crystal particles. That cloudy and hazy covering you see on your glass. Green stands for being green, environmentally friendly, and NAC stands for nucleated assisted crystallization. After it leaves this impressive pre-filtration system, it makes its way over to the Cascadian salt-free water softener. The water is met by a pre-filter to trap any remaining contaminants prior to hitting the Cascadian cartridge. The Cascadian cartridge destroys the molecular structure of the negative particles in the water. This is what ends water hardness. It also introduces phosphate, which protects the plumbing by creating a thin layer/coating inside the pipes and into the appliance. It also eliminates taste and odor as well. From there, water travels back into the house to protect the home and the Navien tankless water heater we just installed.